Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Machampions Digivolved, and we are back with another episode of Arc Pokemon and Digimon Survival Evolved. So, last episode, I apologize. My audio, wasn't happening. Um, yeah. And we died. So, you guys got to see me just kind of run around and die, and while I talked to myself. So, I didn't. I messed up my microphone because I swap it between two computers. And I never reset it up in OBS. So I was microphoneless for last episode. Well, it is what it is. It happens. You know, we can't really we're not going to really look back on that. We're not going to get down on ourselves or anything else. We are just going to move forward because that's what we do here at this channel. We never give up. We never surrender. I've got Garurumon with me. And we're going on a trip. Let's go, Garurumon. Leaping oceans in a single bound. I always seem to go this way. I don't know why, but I do. We always wind up going this way. And it just kind of happens that way. But I want to get back to the redwoods. So the redwoods are over there. That is my plan. Because that's where we saw some new Pokemon. We saw some new Digimon. And I gotta catch them all. Pokemon! Gotta catch them all. Gonna probably die. Pokemon! And leap! I forgot to put my spyglass on. I'm not getting eaten by any crocodiles today. We're not doing that. Snaky boys could stay away from me as well. So we are here. What are you? Those things killed me. Carnotaurus. Little jerk faces. Oh! We got a Digimon battle going on! Look at that. What are you? Thylacoleo. It's revenge time! Get over here! Ah! You got... Stop biting my butt! Stop biting my butt! I don't like it! Get away from me! Revenge! Yeah. Yeah. There's a Biomon. Got little things running around here. Gallimimus. Revenge! Oh, look at the Meryl. Look at the Meryl. Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. Look at the Meryl. And what are you? Get away from me. That's what you are. And what are you that's dead? I'll eat ya. Thank you. Thank you. Can never have too much meat. Wow, look at it's popping over here. I like it. Did we just find a chestpin? No, we found a Ralts. That's cool. Why? Is that a hone edge? Can get right. Ooh. No, they killed the Gloom. I can't reach him. See what else we can find. There's a wild Garurumon! Not tameable? Look at that man right there. There can only be one! Where'd he go? That's right. There can only be one. We're like the Highlander up in here. Weasel fighting Herdier, who's trying to fight a chestnut. Revenge! Yeah! Take that, you silly birds! Coming at me. Coming at me! You ain't coming at me like that! Those Thylacoleo are not nice people. Oh, Garurumon poop. I'm liking it over here. This is interesting. This is fun. We just found a swarm of bugs and went, bye. What are you? Quilladin? No, you. You're a Zoroark. I still haven't caught one of those. I kind of want to. Quilladin floating in the air. Moo! Why do you have no horns? Let's keep going. Oh! 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 No! What the heck just happened? What just happened? And apparently I killed my Noivern! Greymon, let's go. Oh, you absolute pest. I only have the Pteranodon and Snowagumon. We need to go back for Garurumon! And Greymon has a level. Melee damage it is. Oh, and you know what? You know what? I ain't playing this game. Up that health. Up that melee damage like crazy. Up that movement speed. Look at that man. I don't even care. Look at him go. Now, where the heck is the redwood biome again? I've got to find Garurumon again. Again! There it is. We are just going to absolutely tear through everything now. We are playing 0 games! Ooh, there's a Trevenant. Hey, we found a Gatomon of ours. Follow me. Whoa! Hey! We're gonna die! We're gonna die! We're gonna die! He's angry boy. Redwoods. Over there? Oh, I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. Oh, you stupid pest! Grrr. That's something. That just happened. Come on, Greymon boy, you can do it! We can do this! We will never give up, and we will never surrender! Unless a Thylacoleo decides to, you know, kill me. So what do we got for attacks? We got the right click, which is that, and then we have Nova Blast! See, he didn't want none. Where, oh where did my Garurumon go? Oh where can he be? I want my Garurumon. Where is it? There he is! Garurumon boy! I missed you! Now, where's that pest that killed me? Because it's revenge time. Kawagamon is not tameable. That's why I couldn't knock him out. Oh ho ho. There's a Garurumon over there. We got Blaziken fighting. Nova Blast! It's for killing me all those times. I'm really not happy about that. How did that thing take me out? Knocked me right off Garurumon. Revenge! Bulbasaur? Where's my bat? Bulba! Oh, it broke. I found a Dragonite. And I killed it. Well, that just happened. But I found something even better. What do I need to fix my club? I think I need wood. Oh, I can't break those trees? Why? But I just found a Dragonite. I want a Dragonite. Probably shouldn't stray too far away from Greymon here. Where is he? Okay, so can I make... I can make arrows, but I don't have any narcotics. I have to remember there's a Dragonite here. Come here. What'd you get for ambushing me there, guy? There's a Dragonite. There's another one! You're on the ground. Come here. Crap! That torpor is dropping quick. crap. I need arrows. Oh, I found metal. Dun dun. Wow. Can I even move? I can. Greymon boy is a beast. Look at that weight. He is an absolute champion. Alright, I got some stone arrows. We got a spear there. He's got a bunch of junk on him, huh? Take all those. Take the pelt, because we need to find our way at some point in time to the snow biome. We got a little bit in there, and then we died from the cold. So, we need to figure out how to get back home. Oh. We're a little slow right now. There's another Dragonite. He's landing. Shoot! What happens when I kill a Dragonite? Probably shouldn't have done that. And I apologize. You guys are probably only seeing, like, green outlines right now. Ooh. Oh. And I set myself on fire. Yep, I did that. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to find my way back home so we could start smelting and doing everything that we need to do. But if you guys liked the episode, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Do not forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. But you guys go out there and be Machampions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.